I introduce myself. Okay. No problem.
Have you ever seen SK Hynix? Have you ever heard SK Hynix name? No?
I don't like it. As a computer. Really? Oh. Yeah, so I introduced my company and semiconductor business. Okay, my name is Jong. I'm in charge of supply chain management division, which covers purchasing, logistics, information technology of SK Hynix. It's my great honor to have a chance to present in front of you today. And I hope my presentation will help you to understand SK Hynix and SK Group and the semiconductor business. Hello. You may try to build the semiconductor business in your country when you get back home. Ask me to come over. All right. Let's start. My agenda is very simple. I'll talk about SK Hynix, history, product, operation, and market positioning. And next, I'll try to explain challenges and directions of SK Hynix. SK Hynix is part of SK Group. I introduce my SK Group first. SK Group first company was established in 1953 and expanded business into energy like mining, gas, coal in 1970s and expanded telecommunication in 1990s. Now it's going to high-tech like semiconductor and lithium battery in 21st century. SK Group consists of more than 80 companies. Among the SK Group, SK Holdings is ranked number 65 in Fortune Global 500 last year, and SK Energy is number 1 oil refining and petrochemical company in Korea, and SK Telecommunication is number 1 mobile carrier in Korea. Here you can see some of the great companies which belongs to SK Group, SK Hynix, SK Networks, SK Chemicals. Altogether, SK companies generate 140 billion revenue. And number 3, company group in Korea. From now on, I explain my company, SK Hynix. SK Hynix is established in 1983. It has been in semiconductor business for 30 years. And SK Hynix has a former name is Hyundai Electronics. Produced the first semiconductor in 1985. And they demolished the competitor. You know the LG? emerged with the LG Semiconductor and changed the name of SK. No, Hynix Semiconductor. Soon after, SK Hynix experienced some financial difficulty. Many semiconductor companies went bankrupt during that period of time. However, SK Hynix recovered by 2006 and acquired by SK Group 16 months ago, and they changed the name SK Hynix. I joined SK Hynix from SK Telecom 16 months ago. Okay, next. SK Hynix is a semiconductor company specialized in memory chips called DRAM and NAND flash, and it operates globally with revenue over $8 billion. The main competitors are Samsung Electronics in Korea, Micron in the United States, Apple and Toshiba in Japan. One thing to note here is that you can notice that this business has been fluctuating quite a bit. When the business is good, it's very profitable with the operating margin 25%, 30%. That's why Samsung is become big giant. They made a lot of money in this area. However, also it went down badly a few times. The last year was not good either. Okay, our main product, this was our main product. Our main product is DRAM. See the image of DRAM here. DRAM covers about 70% of our business volume. And NAND flash, it looks almost the same as DRAM as the manufacturing process is almost similar. So NAND flash covers about 25% of our business. We have one of the few products like CMOS image sensor. The volume is only about 5%, very small. Then where these memory chips are used, smartphone, tablet, TV, you know already, server storage, digital camera, and car navigation, game console, USB. I'm sure you can name any electronic device, it will have memory chips in there. That's why semiconductor is a key element of any high-tech product. SK Hynix has 3 manufacturing sites in Korea and China, and 4 R&D centers in United States, Japan, and Italy. And it has 27 sales offices in 16 countries all over the world. The number of employees is about 24,000. Our major customers are Apple, Apple, Dell in the United States, Huawei, Lenovo in China, ASUS, Acer in Taiwan, Nokia in Europe, in Korea, LG and Samsung. They buy our product, like this watch. Do you know which one is our biggest customer? Yes, it's correct. Yeah, Apple is my biggest customer. Then I'm not sure. Not Samsung is that this much. Samsung, that doesn't like Hynix. We don't like Samsung too. Then Apple is our biggest customer. I'm not sure if Apple is our most valuable customer. No. Or is it American? No American? Okay. Apple is a very bad company, Okay, I just the Hynix manufacturing site. I mentioned we have 3 manufacturing sites. 2 of them are in Korea, Icheon and Cheongju, and while another one is in Wuxi, China. And we started to build a new plant in Chongqing, China. Other than Korea, only China has our manufacturing facility. Why China? China is good in terms of cost competitiveness. And China may not be cheaper anymore than when we built the Wuxi plant. It was cheaper. The other reason we choose China. We had a lot of customers in China, and some plant of our customers were located in China. And also, it's advantage to be close to Korea with 1 hour time difference. That's why we built our manufacturing facility in China. Next, let's get Hynix market positioning. Hynix, among all semiconductor companies, Hynix is ranked number 8 in both 2011 and 2012. Maybe this year, number 7, I hope. Intel is always number 1. It has kind of monopoly market with the CPU. Samsung has been number 2 for a while. Other company and the rankings have always changed as the revenue caps are not that big. If we look at the rankings by product, you can see the name of the Samsung is number 1. I don't like this chart. SK is a strong number 2 in DRAM market. Number 4 in the fashion market because Samsung Electronics. No. Okay. This is the semiconductor industry characteristics. Semiconductor business is very, very technology driven. So the first challenge with Hynix is how to develop future technology and how to develop future product. And the semiconductor product life cycle is very short and price changes very, very fast. Business fluctuation is more than we like. And the player, dominant player like Samsung, Intel is very tough and strong competitor. So second challenge is for our Hynix, how to keep business stable under the fluctuation environment. And also, large-scale investment every year is a must to keep the business running. That's a big challenge. And the margin of memory chips is always not big, it's always thin. And these days, there are very demanding customers like Apple. They're very demanding in price, quality, lead time, everything. So, number 3 challenge of our SK Hynix, how to keep the product first. I'll go through each direction of the Hynix. The time, more detail in next page. It's there, this slide. Okay. It's my last page. Do you have any question? Okay. Thank you for your attention.
We have had two very interesting presentations. This very opportunity for us to learn about two